Hello, I hope you all will be fine and doing well. In this video, we are going to study about cout object. So basically, you are not familiar with the word object, so you can say cout function. So what is cout function? So it is used to display something on the screen or on console window. For example, if you want to display a message like please enter your age or enter your name, then you can use cout function. So now we discuss its syntax. First of all, you will have to write cout in small case, okay, because it is a keyword, so you will have to write it in small case letters. And after that you will have to put two less than signs, and these two less than signs will be called an insertion operator. Keep in mind, you will have to put two less than signs, then it will be one insertion operator. If you put one less than sign like this, then you will get an error and you will not be able to run your program successfully. So after that you will have to put double quotation marks, and inside double quotations you will have to write anything that you want to display on the screen as it is. Okay, if you want to display on the screen as it is, then you will have to write it inside double quotations. Now here a question arises, what will happen if we don't write anything inside double quotations? So don't worry about that, we will discuss it later. Okay, so now our main focus is the syntax of cout object or cout function. Now, these two less than signs are called an insertion operator, and inside double quotation will be printed as it is. Okay, inside double quotation will be printed as it is. Keep in mind, and at the end you will have to put semicolon, and this semicolon is called statement terminator, and it is mandatory. If you don't use semicolon, then you will get an error. Okay, at the end of each statement, this semicolon will be used. Okay, now some rules or functions of cout object. Now here we can use more than one insertion operators with cout object, and how we will use it, we'll discuss it later, and don't worry about that. Okay, it is basically this video is an introduction of cout object, and in next video we will do some practical examples of cout which will make clear all of these points. Okay, now our next point is constant will be printed as it is. Now if we don't write constants inside double quotes, like if we write 1 2 and 3 without double quotes, then these constants will be printed as it is on the screen, and equations will be solved first and then answer will be printed after solving. Okay, now here it means that if we write an equation with cout object or cout function, like if we write cout and then we put insertion operator and we write 2 plus 3 and semicolon, then its answer will be printed on the console window. Here keep in mind, we are not writing this equation inside double quotes. If we write it inside double quote, then it will be printed as it is. Okay, if you write anything inside double quotes, then that will be printed as it is on the screen. Here we are talking about what will happen if we don't write anything inside double quotations, then what will happen. So the answer is, if you write an equation without double quotes, then it will be solved first and then its answer will be displayed. Now we will get 6 in our output, and if we write 2 plus 7, then we will get 9 on our output. So that is all about introduction of cout object. In next video we will do some practical of this cout object or cout function. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any question about cout function or cout object, then you can ask in comment box. And if you like this video, please don't forget to give a like to this video and subscribe this channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.